Hello, thanks for tuning in. My name is Edward Scott, aka Spetro, with Tierra Studios in Houston, Texas. Today I'm going to show you how to sync your internal hard drive using ScratchTools. You're going to learn how to sync your internal hard drive to crates and subcrates in ScratchLIVE. The previous lesson was how to sync your external hard drive, and this lesson is going to be focused just on the internal hard drive. Again, the benefits of syncing your music or your hard drive to crates and subcrates is it allows you to organize at the root level, which is critical for backing up your music, and then also just for staying organized in general. There's no question of where your music is. You don't have to worry about where is the root of it really at. This way, everything is organized at the root level. So you should have ScratchTools downloaded and installed. If you don't, go to ScratchTools.de, download ScratchTools, and you want to make sure that it's installed and placed in your applications folder, just as I have mine here. The next thing is you want to make sure that ScratchLIVE is not in your applications folder. You want to make sure that it's in your music folder. So the path is users, and then the name of the user, and then music. So for me it's Spetro, and then music, and then I've got ScratchLIVE folder and the app here. Now I'm going to show you how to actually sync it using the code. So I'm going to open Terminal, and I've got the code copied onto a sticky pad, and up here we've got the internal hard drive sync. The first bit of code we type in or we copy and paste in is to tell the computer where to find ScratchTools. So I'm going to copy it, paste it in, hit enter. Now it's ready. And this first part here is going to be syncing your internal hard drive to crates and subcrates in ScratchLIVE. The first bit of Java is going to be the same for everybody. The next bit is the path to where ScratchLIVE is. Relatively the same for everybody with the minor tweak. It's going to be volumes, Macintosh HD, users, whatever the name that you have created for yourself as a user on your computer will go here. You can see that mine is Spetro down here, and then /music. And then the next bit is the command to sync your hard drive into crates and subcrates on ScratchLIVE. And then after that, here is the path to wherever your music is. The path to my music, users, Spetro, music, pusher, Spetro. And I'm going to show you that right here. So we've got Spetro, music, so music, and then pusher, and then Spetro. Now I haven't put all of my music in here because I don't want to have to wait and watch thousands of songs load in ScratchLIVE. I just put my reggae folder in here. And what I'm going to do is copy and paste this into Terminal. Now I'm going to make a really nice download of a text file for you, so it'll be instructions step by step on how to do this yourself. Keep in mind, if you miss a space or if you have an extra character or extra anything, an extra hash mark, whatever, it's not going to work. So you got to have it exactly right, and that's why I just copy it and leave it the same, and then paste it into Terminal, and then I hit enter. It's going to do its thing. This is for syncing my hard drive, internal hard drive, into crates and subcrates in ScratchLIVE. The next command I use is to make sure that all the columns have the same column structure. Now, the same code will be true for everybody here. The next bit is the path to where ScratchLIVE is. It's the same thing as up here. And then the -R is the command for the columns to have the same structure in every crate and subcrate. And then in parentheses is how I want my column structure to look like. You can change it and make it however you want based on the columns available in ScratchLIVE. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it in, and then I hit enter, and it's done. Now we open ScratchLIVE, and you will see my reggae folder as a tree set up like so. And you can see that the columns are set up the same for every crate in Subcrate. This one can be shortened a little bit, and now you can see everything else. Wonderful. Now again, the usefulness of this is to keep everything organized on the root level so that when you back up, you don't have to worry about where are my files really at. They're already organized at the root level. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Edward Scott, aka Spetro with Tierra Studios in Houston, Texas.